Hey, if you aren't doing anything at this current moment, let me tell you about the rumblings we've recently heard about a company that should definitely do a community round for their peeps at some point. Know who it is? Ramp! A corporate card and top-rated software designed to help you spend less. Because you don't need another rewards card. What you need is a smarter software that works for you, transforming the way you manage and spend money. Well, I'm sold, or I guess saved, because we're spending less. And not only are these cards for you superhero founders, but they have seamless accounting options. You can make your bill payments and track your expenses in real time. Cool part is, you'll be non-stop saving from the get-go because you burn less with Ramp's free startup card that offers 3.3% savings and 27% savings on software contracts. Man, you'll be saving so much that you can take a bunch of money that's left over, buy me an actual Ramp, and then take the whole company to ZeroCon in New Orleans. That's happening in August. And I only suggest that because Ramp is sponsoring it. Imagine what you'll be saving after getting all of that information and resources as well. You could probably buy your own Ramp, and then we'll be Ramp buddies. So apply immediately because there's no personal credit check or crap like that. And do us a favor. Help us get this message to them. And if you know somebody that knows somebody, tell them community rounds are for the people, just like everything else they stand for. Nailed it! Side note, to keep our regular tours happy, I'm required to remind you all that WeFunder does not endorse any company or recommend investing in them. You should always put on your big person pants and do your own research before investing. Big pants. WeFunder, baby, home of the community round.